Next is to cut our paper to size for the wall. So I've measured this wall at 82 inches. I'm going to use inches for the moment. 82 inches from coving to skirting. I need a slight excess top and bottom to cut away in case our ceiling doesn't run in a perfectly horizontal line, same with our skirting. So a little bit of excess top and bottom of the paper. So I measured 82, so I'll need, say, 2 inches top and bottom. So I want this paper to be 86 inches long. So I'll measure my bench. 79, so I need the length of the bench plus another 7 inches to give me 86. I'll just crease the paper on the edge of the bench there. Lots of different methods to measure. So there we go. That's our 79 plus 7, giving us 86. With the bigger scissors that I use. Just cut across, that's our first length of